Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to fix file not found in Viber. If you get up into that problem, what you need to do to get up and fix it, simply need to get up from your application. You need to go to your settings on your phone. You need to scroll down, go for applications, then choose manage applications, and on the search box you need to type for Viber. Go for it, go clear all data. Then when you get up clear all data, go clear cache, and when you get up after that, what you're gonna do, go for add permissions or other permissions. Here you need to make sure that all these are okay, then go for add permissions. Also here you need to make sure that all most sectionable setups are with allow setup section, and that it will shows up and fix your problem. Now if you have also the problem, you need to get up and restart your application or just simply offload it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.